Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to close background apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it by tapping on the square icon right here. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened apps. Of course you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up, just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, all you have to do is simply tap on this X button right here. As you can see, we just got back to our home page, so let's enter the recents again. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all background apps. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.